Today, we're comparing TMDHosting and Hostwinds to see which one really gives you the better VPS hosting experience. Whether you're new to VPS hosting or looking to switch, the question is simple: which one offers the best performance, support, and overall value for your money? Stick around till the end because after putting both of these to the test, I'll reveal which one I'd recommend, and it's probably not what you expect. Let's start with the basics. Both TMDHosting and Hostwinds offer robust VPS hosting plans with some impressive features. But when it comes to performance, there's a key difference to note. TMDHosting's VPS plans start with solid resource allocation, but the speed can be inconsistent depending on the plan you choose. Their entry-level plans sometimes have slower load times, which is something to consider if you're planning to run high-traffic websites. In contrast, Hostwinds offers more flexibility in resource management, especially with their higher-tier plans. The performance consistency on Hostwinds is better, especially if you need a more stable environment for critical projects. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. TMDHosting's VPS options are relatively affordable, but the catch is that the lower-tier plans don't come with the best resource allocations. You'll get better value with Hostwinds, particularly when you consider the overall flexibility they offer in their pricing structure. Hostwinds allows for more customization, which can help you avoid overpaying for resources you don't need. Now, customer support is an area that really sets these two apart. TMDHosting offers 24/7 support, and while their team is responsive, I found that the quality of their support can sometimes be hit or miss. Response times are decent, but they could use some improvement, especially when dealing with more complex VPS issues. Hostwinds, on the other hand, offers top-notch support with highly trained staff who are often quicker and more precise in resolving issues. This can be crucial when you're managing a server that needs constant attention. Moving on to control panels and ease of use. TMDHosting uses cPanel as its control panel, which is great for beginners, but may not offer the flexibility or customization that more experienced users need. Hostwinds offers both cPanel and Plesk, giving you more options to choose from depending on what you're comfortable with. This makes Hostwinds a bit more versatile, especially if you're managing a variety of hosting needs. Next thing, security. Both TMDHosting and Hostwinds offer standard security features like free SSL, firewalls, and DDoS protection. But Hostwinds goes a step further by providing automatic backups, which could save you a lot of headaches if something goes wrong with your server. TMDHosting does offer backups, but they're not automatic and may come at an extra cost, which could be a deal breaker for some. Now, let's touch on scalability. Both platforms offer good options for scaling, but Hostwinds stands out with its flexible upgrade paths. You can easily scale up your resources as your site grows without facing too many limitations, whereas TMDHosting may require more manual intervention and may not be as seamless for larger websites or high-demand applications. The last thing to consider is the overall user experience. TMDHosting offers a solid, reliable service, but doesn't necessarily shine in any one area. It's good for budget-conscious users who need basic VPS hosting, but there are limitations. Hostwinds, while a bit pricier, offers more control, better performance, and a better support experience overall. So, after testing both, here's the bottom line. Both TMDHosting and Hostwinds have their merits, but if you're looking for something that delivers better overall performance, customer support, and flexibility in your VPS hosting, Hostwinds is a more complete solution. That said, all the options we've discussed are solid, but if you want the best VPS hosting experience tailored to your needs, I recommend checking out my top alternative. To make sure you're getting the best value for your hosting needs, I've linked a free trial in the description. If you use our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. This is the best way to experience top-tier VPS hosting with a risk-free trial. Give it a try and thank me later.